Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Bitcoin. Well, we're starting the weekend. I'm not sure how exciting the weekend will be. I don't expect crazy movements, I have to say. Bit of discouragement here, I think, based on the price structure. I mean, we have seen a downtrend all week. Starting Monday, we started a 5-wave decline. I saw this first as a 3-wave pullback, possibly in a diagonal pattern or a larger B wave as shown in orange here. But the market moved down a little bit lower, closed the CME gap this week, and then moved even below the Wednesday low of last week. And this invalidated a certain pattern I was tracking, but doesn't really change the context at all. But the move to the downside starts to look a little bit like a 5-wave decline. And this 5-wave decline that we've seen opens the door to a larger correction as per the yellow scenario. I've added similar structures to several charts, for example, Ethereum's chart as well. I have marked it with a question mark for now because the chart still has a lot of room and a lot of possibilities to change its structure. The structure can morph quite a lot, but it's important to understand that this is a 5-wave decline after a 3-wave move up, after a 5-wave decline. So we start to see 5-wave movements to the downside and 3-wave movements to the upside. If we now see another 3-wave move to the upside, it would start to get a little bit problematic from a bullish point of view, because 5 waves indicate where the trend is going and 3 waves are typically a counter trend move. So I think for this weekend, we need to have all eyes on this micro support area. In the previous video, we already saw the market test this micro support area. It's between $107,334 and $109,261. It's micro support for a B wave pullback. And from this zone, we can get a C wave rally potentially, right? At least that. That would give us an A, B, C structure in wave 2. Resistance that's the first resistance area. It's between $110,112 to $114,246. And if we get a rally and it's a 3-wave move and we hold below $114,246, that yellow scenario remains plausible. If we see a break above initial resistance, it opens the door to the larger resistance area above, between $115,955 and $121,746. This is Fibonacci resistance above, and this would be for a larger B wave. So we have 2 corrective rally opportunities here. The first one for a 3-wave move up in wave 2. If we break above it and get 5 waves up, it's likely the C wave of a larger B wave, which started down here on the 17th of October. A, B, C. I gotta say though, the chart at the moment doesn't really give us the answer. And that's no surprise. I mean, the market is moving in corrective structures, back-to-back corrective price action. So multiple possibilities exist here that the price could take and the chart could take. So it's not the answer. I know it's a difficult, environment at the moment. Certainly underwhelming Q4 so far. But you know, it is what it is. The market is the boss. I can't make the market do anything, unfortunately. And I can, however, tell you that we have 5 waves down. Therefore, I would be cautious. I would be very cautious, because any further downside opens the door to a drop to round about 99K. What level is that? Let's take a quick look. Let's take a quick look at our larger time frame structure for Bitcoin. That's the Bitcoin long-term logarithmic chart. That's the 55-week exponential moving average. And it's highlighted here at basically 99K, this white line. I just marked it on the chart. We have, by the way, also broken back below the 21-week EMA. Maybe, no, not only maybe, but it looks like we're going to get a monthly close below the 21-week EMA. I'm not sure how meaningful that is. I don't like these closes and everything. It just doesn't. You know, we had a break. I can't remember. Did we? Okay, I'm not quite sure if the 21-week EMA where it was in August. Yeah, I mean, you see, this is like 4 months just sideways, like literally boring. But hey, we had something similar in 2024 before we moved higher. So nothing is carved in stone yet. We're still holding above moving averages. Very, very important. And yeah, we'll probably get a monthly candle close below the 21-week EMA. So that's the update on Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then yeah, check out our X channel. I'll leave a link for you guys in the comment section. And you can check out our X profile for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. And also, in case you don't know yet, MCO has a partnership with Bybit. They are one of the main crypto exchanges out there. And if you're looking to try a new platform or you want to give Bybit a go, you'll find a link in the description and pinned in the comments. New users get reduced trading fees for the first 30 days. You can try it out with a small bonus. And there are currently exclusive cashback campaigns running for active traders, basically within this partnership with MCO and Bybit, between MCO and Bybit. And by using the link, you're also supporting the MCO project and the wider network. That makes it possible for us to bring you high quality market analysis every single day across this and all our other channels in the MCO network. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.